In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Peacock subscription on Apple. Step 1. Determine your subscription type. If you subscribe through the Peacock website or app with card, cancel in the Peacock app or website. If charged via Apple, you need to cancel in the Apple App Store. Step 2. Cancel via Peacock app, if subscribed directly. Open the Peacock app, then tap the profile icon, then go to Plans and Payments, and then select Cancel Plan, and then click on Confirm Cancellation. However, step 3, cancel via Apple App Store on iPhone or iPad. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your Apple ID name at the top, and then click on Tap Subscriptions. Find and tap Peacock in the subscription list. Tap Cancel Subscription and confirm. Step 4. Confirm cancellation and access. You will continue to have access until the end of your current billing cycle. No further charges will apply after cancellation. I have some additional notes. Simply deleting the Peacock app does not cancel your subscription. Make sure to follow these steps to avoid unwanted charges. If you have issues, contact Apple support or Peacock support for help. Now I have some more tips for you. Double check your subscription billing source in Settings, Apple ID, and then Subscriptions. Cancel at least 24 hours before your renewal date for full billing cycle. Keep a record or screenshot of your cancellation confirmation. And that's how you cancel your Peacock subscription via Apple. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.